What's up, everybody? Jack here from Half Chrome. All right, I'm on my way to the park to meet Josh. We're going to fly the Caddx Walksnail Avatar HD Nano Kit version 3. So it's a digital HD system. He put it in his Baby Hawk 2. We're going to test it out, see how it does, and then I'm going to let him fly my Baby Hawk O3 so he can compare it to the DJI system. We'll see how this goes. Kind of a chilly day, so I don't know how long we'll be able to fly, but we'll get it in. All right, so Josh and I were here at the park, and we are going to test the Walksnail. Is that the Nano V3, yeah. Right?
Yep.
He put it on his Baby Hawk 2. Is that a Baby Hawk 2?
Yeah, Baby Hawk 2. It was an analog.
Analog, and now it's digital, and I got the Baby Hawk O3. We're going to fly this as well. We'll do some chasing. I'll tell you a little bit about it. Josh will tell you how it was putting that thing together. But yeah, let's fly. All right, so Josh, you put that thing together.
Yeah.
What did you think building this quad? Was it hard?
It was actually really easy. The Baby Hawk board had like spare U-arts available, so all I had to do was just take off the analog and then just put the the Walksnail one on a spare U-art, and then route power through like the battery lead, and all good to go.
All right, so you route power through the battery lead. Now this is it's 3 to 13 volts, right? So
yeah, 13.3.
Why not just use a 5-volt pad here?
I ran into an issue with the 5-volt pad. It wouldn't actually it didn't provide enough power, and my VTX wasn't turning on.
Gotcha.
So which is something I've encountered before with these AIO boards. Some of the 5-volt pads just don't actually deliver enough.
Yeah, but that's more of that's not a function of the nano board here. That's
no, that's not the nano board's fault.
Yeah, that's the problem with the drone stuff. Ooh, careful.
It got the skids on there.
So what do you think of the camera? Right, 4.3, 160 degree field of view. What do you think of this?
Camera feels good.
You flying? I mean, you have plenty of Walksnail stuff, right? So
yeah,
how does this
I got
compare?
A couple quads. I'd say that the video quality is pretty similar. It might feel a little bit better, but I can't quite say for sure.
Right, it's kind of one of those things, right? You're flying something new, it always seems a little bit better, right? That's cool. What else? 500 watt or 500 milliwatt VTX, right? So we got nice. Plenty of range here. Yeah,
good range. See how far we can actually take it.
Yeah, take it out a little bit, see how it looks. How's the clarity?
It's the usual Walksnail stuff. It kind of smears the grass a bit, but the sky always looks good, and most of the surroundings look pretty all right.
Okay, awesome.
But I mean, this looks actually pretty good over here.
Yeah. You're out there. I don't even hear you anymore.
RSSI DBM is still good too. So.
Yep. And is it ELRS on that thing?
RX loss. Okay, let's turn around.
There you go. Bring it back.
Yeah, it's because I'm over the library. Yeah, this thing is still on. What is it called? It's still on FR Sky. It's still on DA. I don't have the ELRS on this thing yet.
Gotcha. So you're losing that signal before you're losing video anyway.
Yeah, so the video is gonna vastly, outperform the actual link quality here.
Gotcha. Awesome.
So I got good battery too. It's still 3.7.
Yeah, that's a great quad. I love the Baby Hawks. Actually, I think I'm going to join you. And yeah, I'm gonna fire up my Baby Hawk and see if we can do some chasing, and then we can flip flop a little bit with the two drones. All right, Josh, your first experience with DJI O3. What do you think?
This is pretty damn nice.
It's pretty clear, isn't it?
Oh yeah. This thing's got a much bigger camera sensor on it.
Yes, it absolutely does. It's also a lot more expensive, right?
Yeah.
So I think the Walksnail is like $95 right now.
Yeah, it's like $95 to $100 on their website or something like that.
Yep, and this one's, I want to say $260.
Just for the camera, for VTX?
For the camera and the VTX, right? So the whole air unit, the whole shebang.
This thing feels really good with this pack.
Yeah.
4S, 3S?
Yeah, that's 4S. It's a 4S 650 on that. That's what I like. I like that. The 850 is probably the sweet spot. You get a little bit more flight time, but yeah, it's pretty nice.
Yeah, this is actually really, really cool.
Yeah, solid, right?
Oh yeah, I would say so.
All right, I'm gonna try the
Yeah,
the
go ahead,
Walksnail now.
give it a try.
All right, now it's my turn with the Walksnail. Let's see how it goes. So ironically, this is actually not the video from that day. Josh actually went back and re-recorded some flights because we missed the recording with the Walksnail stuff. So you'll see him sitting there on the bench. So no, this is not actually me flying. I did fly it, right? I do like it. You know, it is nice. It is just not nearly as clear as the DJI stuff, but it is really good. I mean, it's clearer than DJI. You will get some breakup in the goggles, but you know, overall, bang for your buck, this is really one of the better HD systems that you can get for an FPV drone. Really good stuff. Okay, so that was a lot of fun testing out the Walksnail system V3. Really good. Is it DJI quality? No, it's not. But it's also $95 versus 2.5 times the price of that. You know, so solid. I like it. It's great for little quads. You know, that'd be great on a whoop, on a 2-inch. You know, we were rocking the Baby Hawk 2 with it. So good stuff. Definitely something I'd recommend if you're looking to get into digital FPV. You know, you can do it without breaking the bank these days. So that is awesome. Hey, thanks for watching. Good luck, everyone, and happy flying.